hotel.
So this is Rolf's place. Looks like an amazing place. So we've gone through one bridge, and they say there are several other bridges. Scary bridge. So I don't know how scared we are, but of course the rest are very much scared, and I don't think I'm scared of height. But if you're scared of height, this is one place you need to remove from your bucket list. So it's amazing. We'll take you guys along with us. So I don't know whether we are going this way or this way. Which way are we going?
This way.
Straight on?
To the swimming pool.
No. We're supposed to go to the other bridge. That's
Kitengela
one.
glass.
Yes. Straight on, Okay. How many kilometers from here?
I really don't know in terms of kilometers.
You know in terms of meters? Liters. So which way?
I exit Nyayo gate.
That one?
Then you go straight and left.
So paintball, that direction as well.
Yeah.
Well, these are swimming pool?
Yes.
Nice.
But paintball hatujarudisha.
Why?
Guns.
Guns. What other activities do you have here?
Just now swimming Nyayo nature walk.
Swimming and nature walk.
Yes.
You mind sharing the details in terms of how much?
Swimming is 300.
300 per person?
Yes.
Come here.
Nature walk?
Nature walk, if you eat and drink, we don't charge you.
Okay, if you don't,
we charge you 1,000 bucks.
that is exiting the other side.
Yeah. Taking a walk.
Yeah. Nice. It's good to know. Yeah.
And one of their stuff.
They have paintball, swimming pool.
Come, baby.
You know they fight women, Did you know that? And we have the baboons here.
Slowly, don't run. When you run, you'll fall down. Slowly. Good girl. Good girl.
The baboons are there at Rolf's place. Rolf's place. And there's one seated over there. That's the king, I think.
Ndiye mwenyeji, ndiye patron, le patron.
Le patron.
Come and see the big one.
It's running.
Yeah, but when he was with us.
Haya.
Uturaje, you walk slowly.
Yeah, this is Rolf's place.
And who are you?
My name is MC Kimsi, aka
MC
Moses.
Kimsi.
I'm taking these guys to Canaan, but we have 40 years.
Go round.
40 years to go around.
We have spent 36 more years already.
36.
And we are
But finally we are here.
Finally we are here.
Today we must be
60th birthday.
60th birthday.
Yes.
And you are looking 16.
I'm celebrating with today.
And you are just looking
I'm
16.
celebrating with Elizabeth.
Elizabeth.
Wow.
Wow.
They need to make a cake for you.
We are going to drink on her behalf.
No, where? It's you to provide.
I will drink on your behalf.
Yes. Tomorrow is your birthday. Hey. You're turning 20?
27.
27 only.
Only.
There are more beautiful sceneries at the destination.
So we keep going. Wow. So this is Kitengela glass.
There is a lot of glass recycling that goes on here. So you're going to see a lot of stuff made of glass. And it's good for the environment, right?
Yes, yes.
So let's go.
And for creating. Yeah, it's a flower made of glass. These are containers.
These are solar panels.
Yes,
Here it's all about the environment.
Oh, so they use solar energy.
Yes.
Oh, awesome.
And I can see some hippos in the water.
They are these for magic. Original kabisa.
So those are hippos in the water.
Yeah, look at that.
Wow. Guys, that is glass. This is glass. So these guys are doing environment conservation, which is very, very good. Hello, hello.
You can.
Yes.
Wow. Hi, how are you? Uko mzima? So this is Kitengela glass. We have swim with dragons. Adult is 500, kids 250. Suspension bridge is 300 shillings. Nani's Wonderland, they feel the magic. That is 300 shillings. So guys, and this is what they do. They recycle glasses. So Kitengela Hot Glass recycles and transforms scrap glass into objects, designs that have a future, address a need and fulfill the function and desire. So guys, this is where we are taking you guys in, and enjoy. So Kitengela glass entrance.
Kitengela glass. Are you entering the glass? Well, take this way or I take one without it. Yeah, this is Kitengela. So I'm going to qualify and go to a book on the schedule, but in the meantime, they are going to the bridge, isn't it? Yeah. So you see, the moment when anyone was set up to do the way they expect the review will be sort on our end.
Stop. Wow, so everything here is all about glass. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Wow. 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 Kitengela glass. Amazing. So everything here is all about glass. Wow. Oh, that's a place for kids, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. This is for kids. Very nice. Done.
Hey, Jones. Yes, stop there.
All this is glass, as you can see. All this decoration is glass.
You done? Yeah, I'm done.
Wow.
I'm behind.
Miro.
Wow. Kitengela glass. Everything here is glass. So they recycle glass, and I would love to know how they do it.
Kila mtu on this side.
Oh, yes. Sawa.
Wow.
Hakuna mtu tumeacha?
Hakuna. See you,